I've always wanted to play professional sports as long as possible. But, okay, am I going to get to where I want to be with my career being 26 years old? For me, the answer looked like a no. This is more like, get on with it. My new job is going to be the business development manager for a technology software company. I'm really looking forward to that, and also buying my first home. I didn't imagine myself I'd be doing it on the other side of the world, but it is something that I'm really excited about, having some roots down.
Rotterdam is located in the south of Holland. It started as a small 13th century fishing village, but today it's one of the biggest ports in the world.
It's a really nice location. I think for someone your age, it could be a perfect bachelor's place because you can go out, restaurants, bars. It can be busy, but it also can be quiet. So I think it's a good place for you to take a look at.
Yeah, let's do it.
So this is the entrance. It's on the first floor. It has 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and a small balcony.
Okay.
An asking price of $360,000 US.
Awesome.
So welcome, Teja. Maybe
Thank
to
you.
your new home. So an entrance on the left, there's a toilet.
Yeah.
Let me open it up for you.
Oh, awesome. Oh, nice. It's been really well done.
On this side, the bedroom. It's not the biggest bedroom,
Yeah.
but for you alone, I think it might be perfect. A lot of daylight coming in, enough space for a bed.
Yeah. But rather not feel small in the room, if possible. Maybe a little bit in the negative side of things.
Let's take a look at the bathroom on the left side.
Oh, nice. There's a space for the washing machine is in here as well. A nice sized shower.
It's not the biggest bathroom, to be honest, but everything you need is in it. Let's take a look at the living room.
Oh, wow. Yeah, this is lovely.
And you can even see some of the city center from your apartment.
Yeah, a lot of light, which is really nice. I really like this space.
Good size dining table.
It's very cool. This whole area here flows really well, and yeah, I really love the dining table as well. It seems to be quite sturdy. It'd be a really nice space to have people over and to be able to socialize, so definitely a massive tick. Not having a backyard is a little bit of a downside.
If you're in the city center, this is what you'll get. Can be big enough for 2 to 3 people.
Yeah, love the plants and the feel of it as well. It's quite nice.
It's small and has 1 bedroom, but everything is very close. I mean, a young guy, restaurants, cafes, bars. Nice location for someone under 30 years. Typical Dutch house.
It's a little bit more old school than I had imagined.
So over 100 years old. One thing only, asking price is $380,000 US.
Okay, that's a little bit over. And not to mention, obviously, the commute. You know, taking traffic into account and peak hours. It might not be the most convenient place for me.
If you turn to the right, then we'll enter the living room.
Oh, wow.
Have a seat on the couch, then you can get a better feeling. Try it.
Oh, quite high ceilings. It's got a bit of an older feel to it, but straight away I can kind of notice the floors are a little bit uneven.
They are.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's an older house. Nice big dining area.
Yeah, this seems like a really nice space as well. And I like how you can break it up by possibly closing these as well.
Sure.
My first impressions of the house is it's definitely got some Dutch character, and it's quite spacious, but it's a little bit older. It's not as modern. There's a bit of a trade-off. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's,
Nice big garden.
Yeah, it seems like quite a big space, actually.
Yeah. Maybe as you can hear, you've got neighbors, which will give you, I think, a bit less privacy than you're used to.
Yeah, in Auckland, it's a bit more spread apart. It could be a little bit of a negative, but it'll be something that I need to get used to.
You'll manage. You have to.
The garden is a really nice space, something that I'm used to. Thank you. But in an ideal scenario, the houses wouldn't be next to each other. It's a similar size to the last place we saw.
But you've got everything you need. Stove,
Yeah.
fridge, microwave oven,
Yeah?
even a dishwasher.
Ah, perfect. That makes me very excited. This is a bit of a steep staircase.
It is. Yeah, it's typical Dutch. The main bedroom.
It's a decent sized room. I'm not sure if I quite like the paint job, but
Can be fixed.
Can
Small
be.
fix. Room number 2.
Ah.
Can be a study, can be a guest room.
Yeah. Colourful. And chandelier, old school. Ah, tucked away.
Yeah.
A small little room.
But still big enough to fit desk. Or when you find a girlfriend, it could be a baby room. I mean, the decoration is here.
Yeah. I don't think I'm in a rush, but when the time comes, this is a pretty good place to start.
It has 2 bedrooms, and best part, asking price is $330,000.
Okay, it's well below.
Let's check it out.
When you're not pushing your maximum amount that you can spend on a place, it definitely allows for some freedom. So the price is a positive.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Let's check out the living room first.
Oh, wow. Quite spacious. That's also a really lovely view over there too.
I mean, even from here, you can see the city center.
How far away is that from here?
I would say by bike, 15 minutes, and 10 by car, something like that.
Is that area down there only for the first floor people?
Yeah.
Okay, too bad. I see this area here is quite a wide open space. Is it going to stay like that?
They cannot build anything here because there are electricity boxes for the railroad. You'll get some sound from railroads, but not that much. But you do have a small airport on this side.
Okay, it'll be interesting when we hear it or not.
I hope not. So, kitchen area.
Okay,
Nice big stove.
that is a big one for sure.
Fridge on the right.
No, really nice.
Something else you'd like?
Ah, dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
Woohoo! It's really clean, and I really like the counter bench, and also what the cupboards are laid out as well is also really nice. It's quite modern.
Can you hear the chopper? Yeah. Small planes, so you hear some sound, but won't be annoying.
In terms of this space, it's really nice. But yeah, the only thing I'm a little bit wary of would be the noise, both in the train and the aeroplanes, and a little bit about the backyard. The location of the apartment is not the greatest.
We have a toilet,
Ah,
and on this side we have a bathroom.
okay. Oh, a bath. Hey, you might just get it.
Yeah, try it out. Why not? Turn on the water. Yeah.
No, but it's a decent size.
And then this is the first bedroom. Nice spacious area.
Yeah. It was also big enough to maybe even get a desk in here for some office work as well.
And the main bedroom.
Ah.
Bigger than the other one.
Yeah, interesting wallpaper. Bit of yellow, bit of pink. The location is something that I'm not convinced about because there is an airport close by and there's also train tracks. I have mixed feelings about that.
With such a huge transition from the ball field to a 9-to-5 grind, Tasia needs to figure out what's more important, city convenience or space in the suburbs.
What is your opinion on the apartment in the city center? It has 1 bedroom.
Okay. I really like that apartment. The only thing I would say was the 1 bedroom is a bit of a negative. It doesn't quite allow me to have people stay over.
Welcome in Vlaardingen, only 20 minutes away from the city.
It is a little bit older. Straight away I can kind of notice the floors are a little bit uneven. But the aspect that I really liked about it is the space that it had. It's got 3 bedrooms and also the backyard. But could possibly be a little bit too expensive.
And then for 2 bedroom apartments.
Yeah, the one that's closest to the airport.
Can you hear the chopper?
Yeah.
Small planes, so you hear some sound, but won't be annoying.
Yeah, I'm not so sure about that one. So I think for that reason, I think this one's out.
No. Really?
Yeah.
In my opinion, go for the city center apartment.
Yeah, I think it has some really nice aspects to it. Allows me to kind of live the upbeat city life. The balcony, the dining area, and also the lounge and the kitchen are really, really well done. I think the Vlaardingen home has also got some really nice aspects to it as well. But I really like that space to be able to relax in 3 bedrooms, backyard. In some ways, people are back home and say it's the Kiwi dream, but yeah, it's on the other side of the world here in close to Rotterdam. I see a future there as well. I think keeping that in mind, as well as being a little bit of an investment, it makes sense for me to choose that.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. The Kiwi dream.
Absolutely love it here. Being able to settle in quite fast, I would say. A day-to-day life is completely different to, say, cricket, for example. 9 to 5, And then barbecues during the weekend, paying that extra amount is worth it, especially with the garden. Previously always living with other people, and now I've got a home to myself.